Enamels, Angela here. Welcome to my channel, Angela Mutavi Art. Sorry, I've already started making my coasters. Today I'm making 4 coasters. I've already made the first one that I didn't even record, but I will show you all 4 when I'm done with making them. And yeah, so this is my second one, and I'm using balloon technique to make the coasters. So I'm just pouring the paint, the base paint and some paints, and then a cell activator on top of my paint, and then I am going to blow on it, and after that then I will spin it on my spinner, and then after that then we will have a nice beautiful coaster. So yeah, right now I'm just doing voiceovers because yeah, I was filming them when my kids were up, and as you all know, kids when kids are having fun, they're having fun. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed the video, please go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share with your friends. Now here I'm showing you the first, well, this is like I said, this is the second one, and I'm off camera here. But yeah, this is how the second one turned out. It is beautiful. I mean, those colors are so beautiful. Yeah, and I used my cell activator that I have mixed. I've been using lately, and as you can see, it is working, and it's so beautiful. I love that cell activator. It's almost like the Australian Floetrol, and this is not even. So yeah, I will put the mixture, the ingredients in the description below, description box below. Can't even talk today. Yeah, so this is how it turned out, and wait until you see the first one that I did. Yeah, so let's see. That's the second one, and it's gonna be put on the side so I can make. And I also the last one I had made it really beautiful with some flower in the middle. And then what happened was I went to move something. Yeah, here is the first one. This is the first one. I was like, oh, this is not gonna come out right, so I'm not gonna film it. But now look, it's awesome. It's beautiful. So yeah, I always be filming whatever, because you never know how something's gonna come out. And if you don't film it, you'll be like for me, I'm regretting that I didn't film. But the process is the same. The process is exactly the same as what I'm doing with the others. Just pouring the base paint white, and then pouring the all my colors, and then a cell activator, which is a white cell activator or black, and then just blowing on it to just activate the cells, and then spinning it. That's the process. So now we're going to put it away, and then we'll get started on the other one. If you're new to my channel, it's great to have you here. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest and future videos. So now here we have the third one, and I'm not sure which one this is, because like I said, I'm doing voiceovers, but it's gonna be pretty, because I know all 4 of them turned out really good. So here I'm using phthalo blue. First of all, I put the base color down, which is base paint down, which is white, and then I put phthalo blue, and that's magenta. Yeah, that's Amsterdam magenta. What else? Come on, Angela. And that is I believe that's gold. Quinacridone Laser Gold by Golden. Yeah, I think. Yeah. And then this one is yellow. We have some yellow in there. And they look green. And now I'm gonna go ahead and kind of, because I'm gonna go ahead and add the 24 karat gold on top, and then after that I'll put my cell activator, which is the white cell activator. And I've noticed that when I use this white cell activator first and then add the black cell activator, it works much better instead of just using one cell activator. So now I'm just blowing on it just to make sure that I spread it before I spin. Sorry, I'm out of focus here, but I'm just using my mouth to kind of spread the paint around. So now what I'm doing, I'm just waiting for the cell activator in the middle, which is the black. I'm waiting for all the paints that are underneath to waiting for it to basically activate the cells from underneath. That's why it's called cell activator. So I'm waiting for it to activate the cells from underneath, and once they are kind of activated, then we'll go ahead and start spinning. Like, yeah, very pretty. Too bad you can see it well because of the mess that is around it, but yeah, it is very pretty. I'll show you once I lift it from there. And some of these I had to kind of redo them because for whatever reason they didn't turn out right, or they were just not what I wanted. I'm not sure if I'm gonna redo this. I did these a couple of days ago, and I don't remember what I did. Yeah, this one I'm gonna pour over because I think because of the white cells that came up. I don't like white cells on a cell activate on a bloom technique. I don't like the base paint to produce any cells. So that means when you see that means when I was blowing on the paint, I did it too hard to a point where the paint underneath, the base paint I reached the base paint. So we don't want to do that. We just want to do it shallow. Same layering here, and now doing it over again. And for some reason the first one had green in it, and now it doesn't have any green. I guess I didn't put any green in there, and blue. Yeah, well, this is still good. This looks pretty. This looks really pretty. It's one of the, yeah, this is number 3, and I'm gonna keep this one the way it is right now. And again, the cells are going to, continue developing. So I'm gonna put it aside, and then I'm gonna do a 4th one. And the 4th one was really pretty. It is, but I ended up, I was telling you that story. So it turned out so beautiful, as you will see. And then I ended up dropping something on it and I ruined it, so I had to do it over. Yeah, guys, this one is the one that I ruined. You see how beautiful it is? It looks like a nice big flower, and it was so fun to make, but it's okay. I mean, we have a new one that it's just as good. Yeah, before I forget, guys, these coasters are 4x4, and that is 4 inches by 4 inches, and they are ceramic coasters that are 4x4 each. But I'm happy with this one. This is what replaced that first one. Anyway, so thank you so much for watching, and this is actually dry resorts, and they turned out beautiful. They are so pretty, and they are going to be in my Etsy store. If you want them, just visit my Etsy store and you can purchase them, or just send me a quick email at mutavi@gmail.com. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on my latest and future videos. Share with your friends and family, and God bless. Bye.